not your destiny. Sinai is not your destiny. Break down your destiny and advance. 5 O-level subjects. 5 O-level subjects. Including English, science and math. It's not your destiny. Being a vendor, yes, you are doing business, it's okay. But it's not your destiny. You have stayed for too long. Giving $1 from January to December. No, it's not your destiny. You have stayed for too long. It's $1 every. Because your offering is the reflection of your heart. I usually say plan out the offering that is looking like you. You have stayed for too long. Deposit in your heart that every year 2026 I am going from $1 giving.